Hey guys, this is Jesse here with Summit 4x4. Today's product review is going to be on winch hooks. Right now on my JK, I've got the UltraHook installed on here from Factor 55. They also sell the Pro Link as well as the Flat Link here. Each one is going to be a little bit different as far as braking strength. I'm going to focus again on the UltraHook since that's the one that I have on my JK here. So a couple cool features about this hook. They do have finger spots on here to be able to, make sure you're putting this up the right way. With having this hook opening up this way, if it does happen to break, it will shoot down. So it's absolutely safer, which is why they have the finger grooves on this side and not on this side. Another cool feature on these is there's a couple different ways to hook up to D-rings or soft shackles. You got one way of being able to go ahead and put your D-ring pin through this portion here. You can also, if you have a soft shackle, same thing. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and put this through the end of it here. Hook up your soft shackle if you guys are hooking up to your tow rope or your tree saver there. So another cool feature about this is this clip right here now opens and closes. You take the pin, which is, it stays stored inside the body. Insert it right up here, it now locks this, so you don't have to worry about that ever coming open on you. Again, super cool safety feature on here. That's the thing I love about Factor 55 is it's safety first. And they look cool. So these things, again, we carry them in stock here at Summit 4x4 Company. This is the UltraHook. This is the Flat Link, and this is the Pro Link. They do come in a bunch of different colors. You've got reds, you've got blacks, you got blues, you got grays, you got silver. And again, each one has kind of got its own little characteristics and features to it. But definitely you got to keep safety first when it comes to winching. So again, cool features, finger grooves. You can do conventional pulling. You've got the options for using either D-rings or soft shackles. And then you've got the pin that goes right inside here. So they also have a groove on these as well to protect your fair lead. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and suck this in. Sucks right in tight like that. You don't got to worry about your fair lead being damaged or it all to where your synthetic rope might get damaged. So they do have the rubber pads that are on here. Cool option, again, safety first, great braking strengths. Through your conventional area here, it's 31,000 pounds of braking strength. And then through this portion here, you're looking at about 48,000. And they say it's a range, but at least a guaranteed 48,000 through this location here. So super cool features. We have them in stock here at Summit 4x4 Company. We're located at 402 East Sheldon Street in Prescott, or you can pick them up on the website at www.summit4x4company.com. Thanks, you guys.